Hi everyone, you are watching the most underrated YouTubers who always give the truth in ethical and identical and realistic stuff, but never get a highly appreciated by subscribing, like or shares. And there is no extra editing, white lies, making sassy moves so you don't focus on the real stuff. So you can see on my Upworks that I am not getting good amount of orders. Also, I never get in any orders in Upworks in my entire life in 7 years career. I don't know why. And I got a couple of on Fiverr, and everything is enterprise, almost enterprise level, and you can see how much I charge because of my quality services. So if you're struggling and you are Muslim, you have something personal issues to get a freelancing account on this video is the best for you, because I'm gonna give you some platforms which is doesn't support any Zionist or any kind of issues. So if you're a Muslim, and if you're not even a Muslim, those platforms still good enough, because those are highly AI powered freelancing websites, and these are the first AI powered freelancing website which mostly gonna automate your business. And the link of those are given below. If you buy from me, I will also make more videos about how to optimize your gigs, get a couple of services, because I was able to get so many orders organically without spending any ads, without spending on different kind of suggestions, affiliates, because I'm an SEO expert. Many people run ads, many people do a lot of things, and I'm also chief operating officer of this company, which is American based company. I'm also own an individual solopreneur business where I provide internet marketing services, and this is for software based. And if you want to know, am I legit or credible person, valuable person, what I'm showing is really gonna work for you or help you, you can see some of my content on my profiles on YouTube, where you will see how much successful I was and I am right now. So this video, I usually don't make a video for any promoting companies or talk about other companies, but I really like these new platforms. I believe it will also help people, because sometimes you need to give back the communities. I get help me in my entire life by my seniors, freelancers, and different kind of freelancers. So it's highly time to give back to the community. So let's start it with Legiit, and all the link is given below. If you buy from my link, if you make an account from my link, I will give you guidance inch by inch, so you can highly optimize your gigs and get some orders. There is no guarantee to get the orders, because it really depends on what you're gonna provide and it's high competitive or not. You can see it's already pending admin approvals. First of all, you need to join as a sellers if you are freelancers, and make sure you get this. If you don't join as a sellers, then you will not get these dashboards. And then you also need to create services by coming over here. You also need to provide all this information over here. By creating an account, you'll need to verify, just like Upworks and Fiverr. If you already have a lot of portfolio like me, offline platform portfolio, which means I have tremendous portfolios, enterprise level portfolios outside of freelancing websites, because this freelancing website never sponsored me, never told me, hey, become, because there is some freelancer personally sponsored by Fiverr, Upworks, and all this stuff, because they think those people are gonna make a lot of money, and through this Fiverr and Upworks will get a commissions. This is secrecy and confidential, you will never see on front side. But I know, because I know some people, I work with some tremendous elite level of peoples who get this kind of benefits. So you can see this is portfolio, and there are lots of things I did in my entire life, and 99% are outside of freelancing websites. So I really feel uncomfortable with Upwork because I never get any works over here in my entire life. I mean, when it wasn't not connect, still, I mean, I didn't get any services. Even I get reviews from my colleagues, ex-colleagues where I work. I given my other portfolios that I built outside Upworks. I also gave a portfolio. Some are done in Fibers. In average, costing is higher than what it is, but I never get like others get. I saw some freelancers who give white lie services, which means not appropriate services, but they get over like 200, 1,000, 2,000 orders and make a lot of money. I don't know why people get down to those kind of services in Upworks and Fibers. So you need to make an account just like Upworks and Fibers, and you need to create a services. This is 10 times easier than Fibers and Upworks. Just copy paste everything from LLMs, what you'd suggest, or from other gigs that you've made on Fibers. It is way more easier than others because of, for example, if you create a service, you can just put all these things, subcategories. These are small categories and easy to understand. You can go to the pricing, description, requirement gallery, FAQ, publish. Not so complex, not so hard. You can also hire somebody from here as a buyer. If you are a buyer, you hire some people on Fibers or Upworks. You can also hire from here, and it's have the same thing. You get service, you pay money. If you don't get service, you don't pay anything. So something like this. So that perspectives, Legiit is really awesome, and I like that. I'm still on the pending, and because after making an account, and if you're good in, after making an account, if you're good in what do you call, good in time right now on a pending approvals by admins. It takes 3 days maximum, 3 to 4 days after making first time account in services, and then you're ready to go. So it's a very highly appreciable platforms, and you can join over here. Also, if you run an ads, they will sponsor like this. You can see this person is running ads. They also have an algorithm algorithm systems. You might gonna highlight instead of this person if you know about SEM, search engine marketing. So these are all about the Legiit. Another is Whop. I like Whop a lot. If you use telegrams, also if you have a business. If you don't have a business, it's very good, and whether what country you are, you can make an account both in Legiit and Whop. A link is given on the description, so you can get from there, and it's highly easily getting algorithms. So if your consistency remain, you will get a client. Okay, so for example, I'm not posting actively. I have my social media guy who will start working every day from now, and that's how we will move on. So that's how all the things work, and it's have amazing parts. For example, they have a chatbots, they have content writers, events. So you don't need to go outside of the freelancing websites. You can chat with your clients, and when you, the biggest is this is the only freelancing website which can make your entire thing fully automated. You don't need to provide any kind of data sets. It will directly take any client when they make an orders. It will directly go to the telegrams and invite you also there, make new groups individually for each client, and it will give all the updates over there. And you can also chat over here, and everything will be moving forward with the telegrams notification. So if you have a phone and you turn off your telegram notifications, you will never miss what clients is 24/7 is sending you. and he will or she will think you're active. Also for buyers, if you're a buyer, I mean, if you need somebody instantly right now, if you message, it will pop up on his telegrams. And then the best part that I never saw, after finishing the orders, that group will be automatically wiped out, and this person will be moved into another community where all of your clients are member, and that they can only see your posts. So it's a great for your future. In the telegrams, you're making your own personal communities where all the clients will be remain there, and in future, let's say you become a big giant community of your clients and networks. So this is a great I think I never saw something like this in my entire careers of freelancing. So if you find something better than this, you can also let me know on the comments. And the last and least, Contra. Many people talk about the Contra, and I saw many people are making money. I mean, if I go to the homepage, I will see most of them are making money who are on the pro plans, I think. So you can see some people are making 250k yarn. I don't know how many years he worked over here to make this money. I don't even know. I mean, if you're premature freelancer like me, for example, I can easily buy the pro plan and let's see how it works. But I really believe in something like, hey, how about get a client from organic traffic? I'm an SEO expert. Why should I run ads? I'm supposed to get customers through organic traffic, right? So that's my goal. So if I don't get clients through this, it's a meaningless. Okay, so I have to get a client. So I never ever in my entire life, any freelancing websites or any kind of apps, I bought a paid plans. Even new technology, high price apps contact with me as a sponsor and provide me for free, so I can promote them. So or I make a I make a internet marketing or outbound marketing for them, appointment setting, sales and marketing. I never ever use or buy any apps in my entire lives. I mean, in my 7 years career, I maybe buy approximately 2 or 3 apps, which is really rare. So you can see there 250k yarn. Here's a max. So I think you need to get same as like Fiverr and Upwork. If you are paid plan, you're ready to go. You get a client. That's it. They're actively looking for your client. Okay, so and these have some limitations platform, because whether you how much good they have a specific, I mean, very specific portions. For example, they will, if you go to the Contra's websites, if you go Contra, they will say who is, I mean, sorry, let's go to the incognito modes, and you'll see what are the best topics that will bring client to you. So if you're good at Freelancers, Figma, everything like related to this, okay, so you're ready to go. I mean, you can see Webflow, Freema, this kind of apps. If you know how to use, then you can get a work over here. So if you're website designers or good in Webflows, Freemers, something like typically coding based or non-coding based drag and drop SaaS related apps like WordPress designers, then this website might gonna help you a lot and get a lot of clients. So but if you're a multitasking skilled person like me, I mean, I do many different kind of things. I'm involved in many things that are really highly trained and professional people does. It will go outside of your brain. Not everybody can understand, and mostly work with American companies. So if you're like this, I mean, if you're like me and website, you're not with a framework or web, you can go through this. I mean, Legiit and Whop. And if you're a Muslim, you will like this because they doesn't support any kind of Israeli stuff. Okay, so this is all about, and you can join from my link. And have a great day and stay safe.